Now let's draw this drawing which is on the right hand side, and for that first of all I'm going to draw a rectangle of 12 by 12, because if you look at this length which is 6, and like that at the bottom it should be 6 as well, and if you look at the width you can see the width is 6 and here as well the 6, so total we have 12 and then we have this 12. So let's draw it first. So let's start from here, and then what we have to do is we have to apply a fillet of radius 1. So let's tap F, enter, and then just simply set the radius to 1 and then enter. And then because I have to apply this fillet radius to all of these four sides, so in that case I will click on polyline and then click on this one. Now what I have to do next is we have to create a circle of a radius 0.6, because the diameter is given which is 1.2, so the radius must be 0.6. So let's draw a circle of 0.6, and then I will select this circle and copy it to these sides. After that I will press escape. Now what I have to do next is I have to create a circle of radius 5, and then again a circle of radius 7. So let's first of all draw this radius of circle 5, and this one is from exactly from the center, so we have to track this center. So let's simply track it like this and then this and draw a circle of 5 unit. Then we have a bigger circle. You can see this circle having a diameter 14, so the radius must be 7, and we have to draw this circle. So the radius of this one is 7 and then press enter. Now all we need is just to simply trim the extra part. And there we have our drawing.